There were 250 of these made, and only 5, I believe it was, with the Cat in it. And this is one of those 5. We don't know if there's any other ones on the road with the Cat right now. Yeah, my name's Dusty Veldkamp. I'm from Paynesville, Minnesota. The truck parked behind me is a 81 International Midnight Brougham, the 4070B. It is owned by David Voss out of Regal, Minnesota. And we did a complete restoration, top to bottom, front to back. We matched everything as original as we could as far as the cab and everything goes. We completely redid the interior. Seats were recovered. All the carpeting was replaced. It all came from a upholstery place out of, I believe it's St. Cloud, Minnesota. Sis Upholstery did our seats and the other interior work that we had done to it. Everything works in the truck as far as gauges. The only thing we did not replace was the actual dash panel with the gauges in it, and that is still original, but everything else has been painted, polished, cleaned up, reupholstered. All the lights are working. Everything is to where it was when it came from the showroom. All the paint is to the factory paint codes. The motor is painted with factory paint code, and we had it the motor gone through by Ziegler Cat, so the motor's all rebuilt, transmission's rebuilt. The truck was basically taken down to 2 frame rails. The cab was off at one time as we did this truck. So did the body work in-house. The paint work was done by a Chevrolet dealership in Paynesville, Minnesota. We got the actual original colors and color codes from an individual named Troy Link, which everyone knows in the community, because he had restored one also. We had to hunt for quite a few of the parts on it. We got the best of what we could find, although there's only so many of these left in the scrap yards. The toughest thing for us to find was the jockey box, the correct jockey box door handles. Aside from that, there's just been a lot of polishing and cleaning, and I could not tell you the amount of hours we have into it. I know we've been working off and on it for approximately 5 years. I know it's been a long time to get here, and as far as putting it all back together, pulling it apart, putting it together, I kind of had my hands in quite a bit of it.